So today I'm talking about a P0072 code, what it is and how you can go about fixing it. And so what is a P0072 code? Well, it's an ambient air temperature sensor circuit low. And so what does this mean? Well, basically there's what's called an ambient air temperature sensor that's just reporting back to the computer what the temperature outside is. The computer can use this information from this sensor for different things. It's very common for it to be used in the HVAC system inside of a vehicle and different things along these lines. But when you get this P0072 code, the computer's seeing a problem with this sensor, and so it's going to have to be troubleshooted to know why. And so what would be some possible causes of a P0072 code? Well, the main things that's going to cause this is either that ambient air temperature sensor that has gone bad and needs to be replaced, or the wiring going to it. And so there's going to be some different ways to go about troubleshooting this. The first thing to do is to locate this sensor on your vehicle. Since it can't be located differently, it is very common for these to be located up inside the front grille or inside the bumper. Although sometimes they can be located in the mirrors or something like that. It can really vary. These ambient air temperature sensors are what's called a thermistor, which is a resistor whose resistance changes as the temperature changes. And the computer can read these changes and do its calculations and know what the temperature is. So if you have a multimeter, you can go and test these sensors. You can look up what the rated values are supposed to be at a set temperature for that particular sensor. And then you check to see if it matches this. So you can test these sensors if you want to. There can also be an issue with the wiring going back to the computer. So if you could get wiring schematics for your particular vehicle, then again, you can use a multimeter, go and check the wiring, be sure there's no open, short, anything like this. Because if there is, then that's going to cause issues. And another thing to keep in mind with these sensors is that they need to be shielded from like direct sunlight or any strong winds or anything like this, or that can throw them off and cause them to get bad readings. So be sure to keep that in mind. But the main things that's going to cause a P0072 code is going to be either that ambient air temperature sensor has gone bad and needs to be replaced, or the wiring going to it. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a vehicle with the P0072 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.